Hello, seventh graders. This is Mrs. K. I'm not going to be with you at school tomorrow and probably not on Friday. So I want to try to get through the alphabet as best I can. And so that's why you're listening to this video and my voice doesn't sound the best. So here we go. So let's review. The letter A is A, B, bay. The letter C, say. And then we talked about this the other day. The CH sound is che. D is day. E is a. I added some extra A's in there. F is FA. Okay, and let me say it together more naturally. It would be FA. G, hey. H, H. I is E. J, Hota. And K is Ka. All right. So the rest that we need to get through, letters L through Z. Okay. So L is going to be a lot like F. Okay. I'm going to say the letter L. So I'll say L and then I say A. So it goes LA. Okay. M is also the same idea. I'm going to say the letter M, and then I say A. So MA. N, same idea. I'm going to say N and A, NA. And then that special N with the squiggle on top, it has this little squiggle. It's called a tilde. It's going to add a Y sound at the beginning, okay, of the A sound. Okay, so it sounds like this. N, yay. Okay, so hear the word yay in there, okay? And yay. O is just like it is, O, okay? P is pay. Q, in Spanish, you're not going to say the Q sound. You're going to say Q, okay? R is R, okay? And if you want to try to roll those R's, that's always good. R, okay? S, just like F and N and M, you're going to say the letter S and A. So S-A, let me say it faster, S-A. T is te. U is u. V is ve. W, W. And X and Y are a little difficult, okay? So X sounds like this. X. All right, I'll say it faster. X. Y is the hardest one to say, okay, because there's so many sounds to it. Sounds like this. Y. Okay, so faster is Y. And finally, Z is zeta. Okay, so make sure you get the rest of your alphabet pronunciation notes in your notebook or in your Notability, okay? And you can be practicing that. Of course, you can be listening probably with earphones to the Cosmo dog alphabet song, okay, which is in your Schoology, okay? So if you have any questions, please send me an email, okay? And I hope to be back with you guys very soon. Take care. Bye.